I feel a great awe and respect. I know this is a very, very important place who means a lot to so many people. And for me, it's the first time I'm in Punjab, and it's the first time I'm here. And also in my own country, there's a very active Sikh community, 3,000 people who are contributing a lot to my country, to Norway. First of all, I hope I'm not going to participate because I'm not think I'm good at it. So I'm really looking forward. I've never seen this before. So tomorrow is going to be my very first time. So I hope the best team is going to win. Yes, well, I think this is where civilization started 5,000 years ago in this area. So no, it means a lot of for education and culture, not only for India but for the rest of us too, because we are part of this big global village. Always looking to see if there's things we can do together. Of course, that's why I am in India. So it's more of a study visit to see how we can learn from each other and also how we can make more business between the two countries.
परविंदर सिंह नहीं पहला जो मेरे हिसाब नाल जो खास जो फायदा मिलने वाला वो है कि ये जानी यूरोपीयन यूनियन के मैंबर ने